Onions prepared in a way never seen before. To start our recipe, I will start cutting an onion into very fine pieces, this way. Now, I will cut 2 sausages into strips as well, and then into small pieces. Do it at your house, and then come back here and tell me what you think. It is perfect to get away from everyday meals. Then I will slice a potato and then cut into very small strips. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and your whole family will like it too. I love making this recipe for breakfast. It looks amazing. Now in a container, I will add 4 whole eggs, a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I will stir well so that the seasonings add flavor to the eggs. Tell me here your favorite recipe with eggs and onion. I'll love to know. I will add 100 grams of mozzarella in our eggs. I will stir again and reserve a little. Now I will add a little olive oil to cover all our pan. I will put our onion already cut, our potato cut into thin strips too, and finally, the pieces of sausage. I will stir until all the ingredients are well mixed in the frying pan. Finally, I will add our mixture of eggs and mozzarella in our recipe. Arrange everything in the pan this way with the help of a spatula to be well distributed throughout the pan. Now I'll put some parsley to taste in my recipe. And you can do the same in yours. It has become routine here at home. I'm sure it will become routine in your home too. I'll cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Joy Marshall from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. And the best is that this recipe is adaptable. You can put something you like more or add other ingredients, maybe a tomato or a little more cheese. I do it every week here at home, and when I do nothing left. My family loves it and asks me to do it forever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.